Script. Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the TRANSFLO Mobile Plus app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. TRANSFLO Mobile Plus is a trucking and fleet management app designed to streamline communication between drivers and carriers. Developed by Pegasus Transtech, it offers features like document scanning, load assignment tracking, mobile billing, and electronic logging, all within one platform. The app integrates with fleet systems to allow drivers to receive dispatches, capture trip documents, and communicate with dispatch in real time. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many drivers appreciate the convenience of submitting trip paperwork directly from the app, eliminating the need to visit truck stops or fax machines. The document scanning feature is well rated for its clarity and speed. Fleet managers often rely on its integration with back-end systems to track driver status and manage workflow efficiently. The app also includes fuel finder tools, way station bypass info, and options for messaging and load updates. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users have reported occasional glitches during app updates, such as login issues or slow document uploads. The interface may feel a bit outdated to some, and those unfamiliar with fleet-linked apps might find the learning curve steep at first. Additionally, features can vary based on how the carrier has configured the system, meaning some drivers may not have access to the full functionality unless their fleet enables it. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the TRANSFLO Mobile Plus app may be worth using if you're a commercial driver or fleet manager looking for a streamlined way to manage loads, documents, and communication on the road. It offers practical time-saving features, strong scanning capability, and fleet-level integration. However, if you need a modern UI or total independence from fleet systems, it might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.